Hey guys, hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to cover the ServiceNow topic that is update sets. So what is basically update sets in ServiceNow and how we can use what is the importance of update sets. That's all we are going to cover. So let's see what is update sets. So when I check my instance, let's type here update set. Okay, so all these things you see here, right? We have several options. When you go to the local update sets, the system update sets, you will able to see all the update sets in the system. So basically this is an out of box instance, so we don't have much update sets here. Okay, for an example, let me brief then what is update set, why it is required. So see, we develop some requirements, right? We have customer requirements and we develop those requirements in instance, right? So for any organization, there are multiple instances for the organization. So there must be a live instance. So we cannot do changes directly to the live instance, right? So what we do, we have normally every organization has three instances. One is for development, then second is for testing, quality testing, and third is for which is live environment, that is production. So obviously we don't make directly changes to the live environment because it can crash your ongoing processes, daily processes. So what is the process? Normally we do the changes on the development instance, we capture it in the update sets, and then it is moved to the quality instance where end user or the requester perform sanity and verify whether the required changes has been done per the expectations, and then it is moved to the production afterwards, right? So that's why the update set came into the picture. So what it says, manage how updates set stores, retrieve, reviewed, and apply configuration changes between instances, right? So I'm gonna show you how it is captured and how we validate these things. So there are a few things like how we can create it, right? So I'm gonna click on new button. So it will open a new update set. So you see in the gear icon, I can always, currently I'm not seeing the which is my scope and what is my update set. So I want to see it in the header. So by enabling these two features from here, so I can see this is the update set. Currently my update set is default and the scope is global. Application scope is global. So we need to define these things. I'm going to create update set in global, and the naming convention should be relevant to your development. Suppose I am going to, usually it's good like we have relevant request number for that. So I would say request number here, you will have whatever number of your request. Now I'm going to do some modifications and incident. Maybe I want to modify incident. I would say Create catalog item. Okay, fine. So this is in progress. And here you can write the name of catalog item which you are going to create now. Submit and make it my current update set. So when you click on that, and let's refresh the page, you should be able to see this update set, right? This is your current update set now. So for creating a catalog item, I'm not sure if you are aware, but I will show you. So that's a maintain item table here. If you want to check name of any table, you can see it here. So SC cat item is the name of the table. And this is the label of the table catalog items. For an example, I'm going to modify this sample item. So if I show currently, if I click on here, view current update set, so you can see all the date set captures are done here. Under this customer update sections, update logs, and we have child update sets here. So basically, whatever changes I'm going to make, it will be captured here in the update set. For an example, I am going to create in variable type here. So that will be of type single text line. I'm going to store it. Variable. Okay, fine. Once I click here, so it should auto-populate the name. That's it. I want to make the order is 500. I don't want it to be at the top. So basically, whatever is the required changes, you will make all those changes when your update set is this. So once you make those changes, you can see it is captured here. That's how you can always capture your relevant things, modification, whatever your changes are. Okay, so now if you want to review it, open a new tab, and you can always check what is the type of this. So we created a variable, the type is variable, right? So yeah, that's how you're going to capture, and you need to note down a few things. So once all the things are captured here, I will mark it complete and save it once the development of this request is completed. So this is done in the development instance, right? So if I want to move it, I can directly export to XML. We have multiple ways to do it, and then import it into another instance, or I have update. We have some connection also. Remote instances. Let's check. I think this is the table where we make connection with the remote instances. Yeah, I think I'm right. So you need the URL for the instance you want to like move your complete update sets. And you need to define which instance is the development production from where you want to like retrieve username password, so you can check the connection. So in your, for example, in your test instance, you can configure your development instance URL password And whenever your update set is completed in the dev instance, it will be fetched by your quality instance, right? So in that way, it can work. For an example, now you need to also note about few things, like few things are not captured into the update sets. So what are those things? There are some table records, scheduled jobs. You cannot directly capture those, so you can force it to your update set. Open some record. I think I created one table, that is process record. Let's open it. Let's try creating a record and let's see if it is going to be captured over here. Okay, let's say reference field. This to add a attachment over here. Say, change the audio. The image I'm going to open. It. That's all I need to do. I'm going to save it. See if it is captured in the update set. I have already marked it completed, so it won't be captured. It's in the default update set. But still, I cannot see any update in default update set. The update is not being captured. So what we can do, so we can force it to get captured in the particular any update set. So for that, we need to enable some UI action, that is force to update set. Or we can use a script, background script, a fixed script to capture this record and update set. That's how it is possible. And if I say about update sets, what do you need to what you need to study about it is how to create it. I just showed you that how we can create update set, and then how to merge it, merge update sets. Okay, then we have how you can retrieve update sets, and there are some exceptions which is not captured in update set, so you should know how you can force those things to be captured in update set. So some exceptions, not captured in the update sets. So basically there is a some basically not everything is getting captured. So some exceptions is checked, it's not captured in update sets. You need to learn about those. And then you need to learn how to batch the update sets, so that a bunch of updates that directly can be moved to the other instance, right? So there is some concept of making connection and there is a parent-child relationship between the updates. That's how it is done. And how to move scope update sets, right? That's how it is being done. All these things are important, and you can easily check all these things here. So you have merge option here, so you need two update sets for this. So this will allow only to merge the complete update sets, and this may allow you to merge other update sets also which are not completed. So update sets to commit, which are pending for commitment. Update set commit histories. So if you want to retrieve some update set in this instance, you will go here and import it. So if you have already have connection, you can get it from there as well also. Yeah, that's how it is being done. For exception ones, you can show some of the queries. Like these things are being captured, but includes this include but in a but it's not limited to, right? Table fields, form layout, list layout, business rule, planning script and rules, other scripts, all these are captured system properties. It does not capture your transaction data, incident users, groups, and emails. All these things are not being captured in basis. So let's see the users table. There is a one property which tell us that that is being captured. Let's see what is that. I forgot the name. Let's check. It says the tables. If I do some modification in the table, it is being captured. For example, business rules are being captured. Okay. Let's see what is that filling the business rules. So the one business rule, and let's check the example of this business rule. Definitely we should get some fill, I think. I know it's taking time. Let's open the XML. What changing? Let's check it. So for few tables, the update signage attribute is always false. Just trying to find that attribute. See, I think it should be at table level. So let's see if we have any update something. I'm not sure if it will be part of this. Is being zoomed. Has happened. It is going to zoom. Something wrong is happening with my browser. Let's refresh it. Good. Okay. Let's try to find the update signage table if it is there. Okay, what is happening? Date. I'm not here. So in the table stuff. Once we open the tables, let's see if we have it in the filter, the updates image. Date, name can update. Sure. Updates image I have. Updates in attribute is set to false, for which you cannot capture the updates, right? So yeah, the attributes is important. I don't find it right now. So yeah, that's all about update sets. I was thinking to show you how to make connection. I think my second instance is not up now. So maybe I will cover that in the further videos. Hope you enjoy learning it. So you can see once I mark my update set is complete. It again goes to the default update set. So yeah, that's how update set works, and hope you enjoy and keep watching, keep learning hard. All the best.